V.RAJESH. I have joined Qspiders in the month of July in 2024. I have learned from the technologies like SQL, Mandarin and Java and automation. In this institute, the trainers are explaining concept very clearly with real-time examples, and they conduct a weekly mock interviews, and they will conduct from the grooming session. In the grooming session, we have gained from the knowledge. For example, if we not clear any concept, they will teach very in detail with clear examples. Groomings are very helpful. We can crack that interviews, and I have coming to other faculties like HR and other faculty, they are moving it very friendly and supportive. It is a good environment to learn the technologies, and we can gain the experience. And coming to have placed in reputed company in Hyderabad.